Hi everyone, now let us see about how to create and debug Node.js first app for beginners. Step 1. Create app.js in VS Code. Execute code using Node. Put breakpoint and debug. Step into Node.js code. Let us go to the demo. First launch the Visual Studio Code and create file, new file. Save the file. I will go to one folder Node.js, create the new folder called first app, create the new folder, file name is app.js. Okay, here where msc equal to, this is the first app, console.log msg. That's it. So now our first app is ready. Let's go to terminal, cd documents online tech university node first app. So we are currently at first app. We can find out the all the what are the files. App.js is there. Let's clear it. Put the node space app.js, so it will run and give you the result. This is the first app. This is how you will be able to create the app and run. So you can click debug, start without debugging. It will execute and bring you the output in the debug console window. This is first app, right? So I can clear again, click debug, start without debugging. You will find out the result. So now let's put the breakpoint here and click start debugging. Start debugging. So it's running and you see the breakpoint is hit here, and the new step into toolbar is displayed. Let's go again. Let's go again. Now it is displayed the result. So this is how you will be able to uh, create the Node.js app and run and debug it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe and click the bell notification symbol. Thank you.